In this video, I will show you how I created this moving ball animation in Blender. So first delete the default cube and add a sphere, and then increase the segments and ring value. Now it's 100% smooth and round. Add a torus and increase the major segments and minor segments. Then go to the bool modifier, select both objects and choose the difference. Now delete the torus and it will look like this. I have another torus which copied and rotated. Again I will do the same thing. Now our sphere looks like this. Now add a sphere again. This is the ball that I will animate. Set the size and position of the ball. Now add a circle curve. First, I will add a keyframe by selecting the ball and rotate in a 150 frame. Select the ball and go to Add Object Constraint and choose Follow Path. Go to Target and select the Bezier circle. Move the ball position like where it was. Now select the Bezier and add a keyframe in 0 and rotate it in Z-axis at 150 frame like this. Now our ball will rotate. Again I will do same thing with another ball. Now set the camera. Select the Beziers and the object. Press Ctrl P. Then choose Object. Now it's parent with our main object. Add any texture to the our main object and balls what is best for you. Then set some area lights and experiment until you get better lighting. Then add background and bit rotation in main object. Now I will render the animation in EVE. But you can render it in cycle as you like. And here is another version with different texture. Thanks for watching everyone.